I'm Mary Kay Verducci. I am this year's chairperson for ARTcetera in 2021. And unfortunately, we've had to cancel this year due to COVID. And we were so excited to have the party. We thought it would be a great event to come out after being cloistered for so long and to come together for a good cause. And this year, especially, mental health issues are through the roof. And we were going to hire a person in the community to go out and teach DBT skills across our region. And those are therapy skills that you can use in everyday life. Everybody could appreciate learning them.
My name is Dr. Christie Estabrook. I'm a psychiatrist at Essentia. So in our outpatient behavioral health clinics, we used to, before the pandemic, have about 150 new patients that were referred to our clinic to be seen a week on average. And now, since the pandemic started, we've been seeing about 350 to 500 referrals a week sent, and that number has not declined since the start of the pandemic. People are really struggling with this pandemic more than we have ever seen before, and the need is extremely high. And this program is impactful and it will make a difference. And we really appreciate anything that you can give to this. I think the thing that's amazing about this program that we're trying to support is that it meets people where they're at. There's a lot of stigma around mental health, and people often don't want to come into a mental health clinic or the emergency department. And this type of position will allow people to be seen where they're comfortable being seen and really reach out to people before they're in crisis. With how long our wait times are to get into mental health formal care, it often people are waiting for months. And so to be able to give them those skills to prevent a crisis, or to give them those skills before they can get in because of how long our wait times are across the Northland, I think is essential and extremely important.
Definitely taught me some things that I probably wouldn't have been able to think of otherwise. And taught me a lot of things that I knew about, but I never really just put them into practice, and then I got the chance to put them into practice there. And it definitely helped a lot.
Mental health is health. It's part of all of us. Our emotions and our thoughts are, just as important as, the skin on our arm or the bones in our body, that it needs to be tended to. We go to doctors or nurses and, get routine checkups of our physical self. But how many of us do, checkups of our emotional health or mental health with ourselves, dealing with behavior things at school? We're so proud, and teachers say that, and as doctors say that, and it's a very good thing.
Generally we would raise a significant amount of money at ARTcetera, but right now we can't do that. So we're relying on you to step forward without having to come to an event to really make a difference in people's lives. We've seen it happen over and over again, that providing people with DBT skills and the help that they need really does transform their lives. So thank you for whatever support you're able to provide, and thank you for being part of our Miller-Dwan Foundation family.